Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to another video. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can type exclamation mark sign on your PC or laptop. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, you have to find the row of numbers. Here you will see a row on your keyboard 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have to type 1 first. Here I'm going to click on the 1 button to type 1. And similarly, if you hold the shift button on your keyboard and press the 1 button again, you will get the exclamation mark. That means every time if you want to type the exclamation mark sign using your keyboard, then you have to hold the shift button and press on the 1 button. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to write exclamation mark sign on your laptop or PC using keyboard. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.